Okay, sports fans, handyman fans. Today, going to be looking at the Homax Ceiling Texture, the Pro Grade. And this is the big can right here. It's not the yellow small can. This is about 18 to 20 bucks at Lowe's, Home Depot. This is the Knockdown. They told me this was knockdown texture, and I didn't even look at it before I bought. Really looks to me more like a, this over here looks more like a heavy orange peel, but other places, this doesn't look like the traditional knockdown that I'm familiar with, but we'll see if we can't work, because I'm not spend another 20 bucks for this patch. So anyway, this is how you're going to use this Homax Ceiling Texture, the Pro Grade. Basically, the instructions will tell you to shake it up, hold it upside down, shake it till you hear the ball rattle. I've got to tell you, I have shaken these things, especially this can, probably 5 minutes altogether. Today, I thought I could get to it yesterday, and the mud was taking its time drying, so I went home and got it this morning. So anyway, I've shaken those cans before and never heard the ball rattle. It will work. Just make sure you shake it 1 to 2 minutes, something like that, and hold it upside down. Now, this has a lock and unlock. Forward is lock. You heard it snap there, and I like that feature. Too many times on those other cans, I hear them in the back of my pickup going, psh, and you get there and then they've blown all over the place or whatever. So this is a nice lockout feature. This is your adjustment here as you're looking. When you adjust it, you're looking. This is obviously clockwise. This will give you a finer texture. If you go this way counterclockwise, you get a heavier texture. I think let me see if I can show it to you. I don't know if you can see that. Right there, heavy, fine. Heavy's over to the right, fine's over to the left. So, and you do want to test this. You're supposed to hold it 6 to 18 inches, something like that away. This one, what I like to do, I like to kind of start out on the fine, just a little bit, and then go to heavier if I need it. Now this is a heavy texture. Let me switch hands. And I got my little drop cloth here. Now I have patched this. I used my Easy Sand 5-minute. This wasn't a big patch. Roof leaked a little bit, paint peeled mostly, and so that's what we're dealing with here. I come in, put some Easy Sand on it yesterday, and it dried. And this about an hour ago, I put some primer on it, and we're fixing to texture it. So we've shaken our can up numerous times, and we're going to hold it away. As you can see, that's pretty fine. That's a little too fine, so that's fine. We'll go, there you go. And we're going to put a little heavier on there. Not real heavy, but. Okay. That looks about, maybe a little good measure right there. And that's pretty much it. Now when this dries, all you have to do is paint it and you're done. Let me see. I'm going to hit this corner, edges. You want to bring your texture out over to the existing texture to blend it in. You don't want to just try to keep it. You don't want to try to just keep it in that one little area right there. So there you have it. That's how you use your Homax, whatever. Ceiling Texture Pro Grade. This is the Knockdown. I am not going to knock it down because it does not look like Knockdown. I mean, some of this, we'll see. If I need it, as long as this stuff's wet and it looks like, right there, it looks like a texture blend right there. As long as this stuff is wet, you can scrape it off, but I'm thinking it's looking pretty good right there. So anyway, you got your patch. You need to patch. Now their Pro Grade wall formula is just as good. So there you go, people. That's how you're going to texture your knockdown, your ceiling patch with a Homax ceiling texture. Donald DIY, blue collar DIY. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Click the bell so you get an update every time I post a video. So anyway, thank y'all, and we'll catch you down the road. Donald out.